Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to create GitHub repository and how to integrate that with the Mac terminal using the Git. So yeah, firstly we need to understand that what is Git and GitHub. Yeah, so Git is a version control tool that need to be installed on our local machines. So here my local machine is Mac and we can install it by using the command brew install t. So if you know, Brew is a package manager for macOS. And what is the Git? GitHub is a cloud platform that store the Git repositories. Yeah, so our folder or files where we kept that. So on GitHub we can store that so everyone can access it in our team. So that's why the Git comes in picture. So yeah, so for the GitHub, we need to create first the GitHub account. So here we can search github.com and here we can click the sign up for GitHub. And here we can mention our email, password, username, whatever you want to give it. And then we can create our own GitHub account. So I already have created the GitHub account. So I need to sign in. So yeah, I am signing in. My account is DevOps-with-umesh and I'm signing in. So if we sign in and first created the GitHub accounts, then this window we can get it. So here we can click on the create repository and here we can mention the repository name. Here I am giving the DevOps. You can give whatever you want and then no need to change anything. Just click on create repository and our first repository created in our own GitHub account. So yeah, the repository is created. So how to integrate this repository in our Mac terminals? So firstly, we want to clone this repository in our local terminals. So how to clone it? We can, so clone means what? Here we have this folder, right? So this folder is whatever we have here. We want to store this folder in our local machines. So this is hosted on cloud platform, but we want to this folder to be in the terminal. So what we want to that's we need to clone this repository by using the https command. So here with this https URL, so we can copy this URL here, go in the terminal and what we want type git clone and this path. So this DevOps repository is cloning in our account. We can check by using the ls and we can see the DevOps folder is created here. So we can go inside the DevOps folder and this is the folder that is empty. We have not added any file or created any file yet. So for creating the file, what do we want? Here all the commands the GitHub itself gave it. So what we want? Firstly, just copy this. These are creating the readme file with hashtag DevOps. So we can check it that readme file is created, but this file is created, right? But we want to add this file in our this repository, right? On the cloud. So what we want, we need to first initialize this repository. Then we want to add this readme file. So this readme file is added in our staging area. So what if then you want to commit this file? So yeah, this is the command to commit this file. So here we mentioned that first commit is this is our first commit. You can change whatever you want. And then our branch is what in our branch. So yeah, this is main as well. So no need to paste it, but yeah, we can paste it. And this repository we don't want to add, but I think we already added this repository, so it's showing, yeah, the remote origin already exists. Yeah, so now what we created the readme file, right? Inside of readme, what has file? You can check that readme file is we have created, and what inside the readme file? The hashtag DevOps, because here is the hashtag DevOps. Whatever you want to change anything in our readme file. So yeah, for testing purpose, we are just creating this. So what next? We want to push our file, this file. What? This readme.md file. We want to push this file into this repository. So what is the command here? Git push -u origin main. But here, the main thing we want to set it, that we want to set our username and password. So here, what's our username? This why this required? Because our Mac local machine don't know what is our GitHub account and username and password. So we want to give it, right? So yeah, this is it. And yeah, password for this GitHub account. So if you know that GitHub, we don't want to give our password whenever we created the GitHub account. We want to create the password token for that. So we can click on this profile and click on this setting, and here in the below we have this developer setting, right? So we need to click on it, and here we can click on the personal access token, and we can choose the token classic, where we can generate the token. This is classic token, and whatever we want to give the name. So I'm giving the git mac. It's, you want to expire in 7 days, 30, 60, 90, whatever you want. And we want to check this box, all the boxes, because so we don't get any error, that is permission issues. So we want to check all the boxes. So yeah, and here we need to click on the generate token, and here our token is created. So we need to copy it and paste it in our account. And yeah, we set up our DevOps repository from the cloud to local repository, and we can check now this file. Which file? This readme.md file should be added in our account. So yeah, we can check it here. Yeah, this is our repo, right? So yeah, we can check the message is first commit is push the file in 3 minutes ago, and you can check the content is the OS that we gave it. Yeah, that's it. When you know that how to integrate the GitHub account with Mac terminals, you know that. If you like this video, then please like it. If you want to subscribe the channel, then subscribe it. Yeah, goodbye.